Today I'm going to show you how to update your profile picture, ka-ching, on Glassdoor. So on the top right hand side you will see your profile icon. Go ahead here and click on this little pencil icon. This will take you to this page. On the top right you'll see this is all your details. Here you will see your profile picture. Right now it's the first letter of my first name and last name. Go ahead and click on the pencil icon. Choose an appropriate photograph. Here you can move it around. You can also adjust the zoom. So I'm gonna just do like that, bring it down. All right, there we go. Click on save. You now have a new profile picture. Now let me give you some tips on creating a professional looking profile picture that will not cost you any money. So what you need to do is take your smartphone and take a photograph of yourself. Now you can use the front camera if you've got decent lighting, but if you haven't got such good lighting, you can use the rear camera, which means you won't be able to see the screen. Set a timer on your phone and click on capture and then run to your space. Make sure that you have like a neutral background, so a white wall or a gray wall or whatever it is, and smile, look directly into the camera and wait for the photograph to be taken. If you have somebody with you, you can ask them to take a picture for you. You can literally take this picture at head height. Men do it slightly lower than eye height, and ladies do it slightly higher than eye height. And this will allow you to take a professional looking photograph. You won't have to pay anybody to do this, and then upload it. Make sure that it is a decent size, you have decent lighting, and keep it simple and keep it friendly.